We are in Meeker, Oklahoma at LaDonna's Grill. We've been here for 20 years. My parents bought it 2001. Country, home-style cooking, like your grandma would make when you go to her house. Everything from scratch and just the comfort foods that you want to have.
We love coming to LaDonna's because they give you large portions of food. It's fresh, homemade every day. It's just very delicious.
They're friendly. I like to support my town and I like the food. I've been coming here for years and never knew they had the gringo on the menu, and I saw it one day and I thought I'd order it, and I eat it nearly every time. Fries with queso, ground beef, jalapenos, cilantro, and it's delicious.
Chicken fried steak, chicken strips, hamburger steak is a big seller, beans and cornbread. We do also sell Mexican food, pasta, seafood, steaks. We do prime rib on Friday nights.
We always come on Fridays for the prime rib. It's really special. Today I got the Indian taco.
We sell a ton of our hand-dipped onion rings.
We always get the onion rings, and the order is so large. The plate is just heaped plumb up with onion rings. You'll have plenty for the whole family.
Fried piccolos that are really good, loaded fries, a little bit of everything. Queso that we make from scratch as well. Salads. We make all our desserts homemade from scratch. Everyone raves about the chicken livers or the beef livers. Our meatloaf is also a really big seller.
Onion rings are amazing, the chicken strips, just everything here is wonderful. We always try to come in on Thursdays for the Indian taco specials, but our family, we really support this place. They've been wonderful through all the things that's been going on the past few months, and Meeker's very blessed to be able to have this restaurant here.
It is the must stop. They're here, open all the time. We love coming here.